A caps airdrop is one of the most popular airdrop right now and is popularly known as the roof's cap. Okay, I got in contact with it last week based on the community request. I decided to do a video and I will continue to do that, especially if there is more requests on the tag. So if you want to join this very airdrop, it's a new airdrop. Join with the link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. I will leave the link down below. Check it out right now and join. It is a free airdrop, and also it is also similar to the dogs airdrop. I have done little search and discovered that. So if I start it right here using this start button, it is going to take me to this very page. I have just 100 tickets and we have 0 days, 8 hours plus 46 minutes remaining. I don't think this airdrop is going to end. People are thinking and also talking about the fact that it's going to end, or they're going to bring out new tax. Okay, so what we need to do right now is to come to this very section. You click on this icon, it will take you to this very page. What we want to do is to complete tax, and I'm going to do this at the end of this very video. So if you click on this very question mark icon, you will see day 1 logged, day 2 logged, day 3 logged, day 4 logged. Okay, which means all these tasks have been done in the previous days, and this is the one that is available right now. So I will do this one with you in this very video. But the main thing here is, if you go back, okay, if you go back here and you look at this very limited quest, we have invite 3 friends, which attract plus 50 tickets. If you invite 5 friends plus 100 tickets, and 10 friends, which attract plus 150 ticket. And if you come to this very icon, if you click on it, you will see there are a lot of folks, especially people that can refer a lot of friends. If you can do that, see the leaderboard right here. People have referred a lot of friends, which you can do as well, especially if you have a very large community, to invite a lot of friends and get a lot of tickets. From the way I look at it, this airdrop is like the dogs airdrop. Not too much tax, just complete little tax, 1 tax a day, and then invite friends. And I also discovered that inviting friends is very, very important, because the more friends you invite, the more tickets that you get. So if you want to join the airdrop, the link in the description of this very video and also in the pinned comment, it is a free airdrop. So if you come back to this very area, which is this question mark sign, let's do this tax together immediately. And if you come to this very enter, which is day 5, I will click on this very enter. So once you click on it, it discover it will tell you enter words. This request can be repeated every 5 seconds. So the main thing here is we need to get this word right. Okay, and if you're using phone, you need to ensure that you scroll a little bit to the left so that you see everything. If you count it, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and we have 6. So about 6, 7 thereabout. So we want to complete this word, and the way it works is you use this very icon right here to move upward, and you will use this very one, okay, to go downward. And it's a very simple task to do. So I want us to complete this task right now. So the way it works is you will continue to click this up and down until you see the one with a white box. Okay, so if I continue to click it, so A, and then I will do this one. Okay, I will do this very one as well. If I click it upward, okay, I'll go back. So I've gotten that, and then I will do the next one, which is this. Okay, so just be going down. Then I will do this. Then I will do this very one right here. And I will do this. can just use the drop down, and so this is, I think there is one at the back right here. Okay, so after you've done this, you see that this is staking. Okay, I'm using this very phone, that is why you are seeing is going in. So your own should correctly spell staking. So once I am done, I will check. So once you click on this very check, you see done right here, which is very, very simple. Okay, so that is the tax for today. So we'll wait for the next tax. However, if you come to this very home page right at this very point, it is covered that you are seeing 0 days, 8 hours remaining. Some folks are talking about this airdrop going down. That means they are not going to bring out any tax again. However, let's wait for this very countdown to end. Then we know the next thing, because this is just a new airdrop, and I don't also think they're going to end it. So I think they're going to bring out other stuff to do after this very time elapse. However, let's wait for the final announcement on the community page. So that is very, very important, guys. And this is what you need to do. Now, if you're having challenge, because a lot of persons are having challenge doing this, when you do this very tax by going to this very question mark and you perform the tax and you are having challenge checking it, just come right to this very 3 dot area, which is very important. You click on it and refresh the page. Okay, you refresh the page, and once you do, or reload the page, once you do that, this should be able to get you done. You should be able to do the tax correctly. So the tax is staking, so spell it correctly using the up arrow and the down arrow to choose the right words. So it's as simple as that, and that is what the tax for day 5 is all about. So the caps airdrop is just like the dogs airdrop in one way or the other. Jump on board right now. If you have not joined this very airdrop, let's look at how things will be. Nobody knows whether it's going to pay more than dogs, it's going to pay compared to dogs, it's going to be another dust. We don't know, but you can jump on board and give it a try, which is not bad. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for supporting this channel.